For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The COVID-19 situation in southern states is getting worse by the day. Southern states, which were down the ladder, have now seen a massive spike in infections. Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka reached a grim milestone by reporting more than 1 lakh COVID-19 cases. With the massive spike in cases, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka stand in the 4th and 5th position respectively in the list of worsted states. Karnataka, which was praised weeks ago for containing the virus, recorded its highest single-day spike of 5,324 cases. Karnataka has so far reported 1,01,465 positive cases of COVID-19. Of the total tally, active cases in the state stand at 61,819. The number of recoveries in Karnataka stand at 37,685 and 1,953 have succumbed to COVID-19 in the state. With this spike, Karnataka continues to harbor the second most number of active COVID-19 cases in the country at 61,819, only after Maharashtra. The COVID-19 situation in Bengaluru remains grim. Bengaluru reported 1,470 new cases in a day, taking the total tally to 46,943 infections. Karnataka is one of the states that has a COVID-19 war room in its capital city, Bengaluru. However, the war room data shows that COVID-19 situation in Karnataka is haywire. According to the war room analysis, officials are unable to track how 50,151 individuals contracted the virus. This means that the source of infection of almost 50% of the cases in Karnataka is unknown. BBMP officials are finding it difficult to trace the source of infection. Karnataka has relied on the 5 T's of tracing, testing, tracking, treatment and technology to tackle COVID-19. Yet, the state is unable to find the source of infection. The prevailing situation has raised concerns of community transmission. However, the Karnataka government has not confirmed the presence of community transmission in the state. Meanwhile, Andhra Pradesh crossed the 1 lakh COVID-19 cases mark with 6,051 fresh cases being reported in the state. This takes the total COVID-19 cases in Andhra Pradesh to 1,02,349. Andhra Pradesh has so far reported 1,02,349 positive cases of COVID-19. Of the total tally, active cases in the state stand at 51,701. The number of recoveries in Andhra Pradesh stand at 49,558 and 1,090 have succumbed to COVID-19 in the state. Andhra Pradesh's COVID-19 count doubled in just 8 days. The state, which crossed the 50,000 mark on July 20th, has more than doubled its tally in a week, breaching the 1 lakh mark now. Andhra Pradesh currently has an overall recovery rate of 48.4%. The COVID-19 positivity rate in the state shot past the 6% mark, a record high. East Godavari, Guntur, Kurnool, Visakhapatnam, Anantapur districts are the most affected districts in the state. East Godavari continued to remain the top hotspot in the state with 14,696 COVID-19 cases.